Very good afternoon to you and my salute. Namaskar. Today, the Bharat Scouts and Guides has created history in its chapter by signing a MOU with Rotary International to accomplish the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister of India to make this country 100% literacy. BSG has signed a MOU with Rotary International that both the organization will work to make this country fully literate. As you know, Bharat Scout and Guide is already working in this field of adult literacy, and we are expecting that we will make the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister comes true, and will make 27 crore members of this country fully literate by working hand in hand with Rotary International. So come now, let us see the activity between the BSG and Rotary International.
We have two very iconic organizations coming together, Bharat Scouts and Guide, as well as we also have the Private Schools and Children Welfare Association among all of us today. Friends, it's a very, very important day for all of us, and I'm welcoming all the district governors, district governor-elects, district governor nominees, and along with all the BSG and PSA, CWA members and the executive committee members, along with the RILM team. We also have in our today's meeting our own Rotary International President-elect Shekharda Mehta, as well as the past Rotary International Director Ashok Mahajan, and of course our own Rotary International Director as well as the Chair of Rotary India Literacy Mission, Kamal Sanghvi. I also welcome on behalf of the RIHF, PGR Sindhia, who is the ex-minister and Secretary General of Bharat Scouts and Guide, and along with him, the Rajkumar Kaushik, and of course our own dear friend, Shahmal Ahmed ji. So friends, I think we will have two MOUs signed in this today's program, starting with, of course, the Bharat Scouts and Guide, and then followed by the Private Schools and Children Welfare Association. You know, there are two very, very iconic things which has happened. 69 years back, Bharat Scouts and Guide was formed in India. And with more than around about 55 lakh of membership across the country, and of course the Scout wing is again around about 40 lakh members more. So 69 years back, when Bharat Scouts and Guide got formed as one of the, the greatest power in the youth, because I still remember in schools and colleges days, the Scout, NCC and NSS had the best disciplinary power, which, inculcated in the young minds. And the incidence is, 61 years back, there was also one child born in India, and none other but our own Shekharda Mehta ji, who's yesterday we celebrated his birthday. So I think this 61 years back child had a thought to make India 100% literate. And see how the coincidence happened. Now these two organizations are coming together to make India totally literate. So with these my opening words, I'm asking our own Rotary International President-elect Shekharda to have his vision on these two signing of MOUs and on totally literate India. To Shekharda.
The history of making India totally literate this day was extremely, extremely important. That's because we are embarking on this journey with two very, very powerful organizations. Two organizations with whom, if Rotary partners, I think we will be able to move tremendously towards our goal of total literacy. Now, total literacy is something that we have not been able to achieve despite 73 years of our independence. Our literacy rate at the last count of the census was only at 74%. Now, even today, around the world, in India, we have 37% of the adult illiterate. 27% of our adult population, 20% of our adult population is illiterate. Our total population is 135 crores. 20% of that is equal to 27 crores, and that is the number of adult illiterates that we have in India. Now, till this 20% becomes literate, how can India's total literacy rate go beyond 80% and reach 100% if these 20% are not made literate? So this is something that we have embarked upon. We want that every adult, normally people are not giving so much importance to these adults. Even the government, till very recently, did not have a very robust program for adult literacy. But we had been speaking to the government. I remember having spoken to Mr. Prakash Javadekar, and when I gave the idea to him, he just loved the idea. Immediately, he set the ball rolling. And let me tell you, friends, the draft policy that has come out on Padhna Likhna Abhiyan is the result of that meeting, that first meeting that I had with Mr. Prakash Javadekar. He liked the idea so much. He said, Shekhar, this is what I used to do when I was young. कि मैं अपनी माँ के साथ जाता था, मेरी माँ पढ़ाती थी लेडीज को, एडल्ट लेडीज को, and I was young boy. I used to teach these men who were adult illiterate. And our format was the same, that we will ask either children, and later on we said, okay, we will also include adults into it. These volunteers will teach the adult illiterate. One person at a time, that's all. If we are to make India totally literate, it will be very important that these volunteers train these people. So our format is going to be, we are going to tie up with different organizations who have large membership. And that's why we requested through our past district governor Chandrasekhar, who is present here today. And thank you so much, past governor Chandrasekhar, for the lead that you have taken in ensuring this partnership to come together. I'm so very thankful to you. Thank you so much. It's your efforts that have brought us here. And I tell you, you will see in future how much this partnership will mean to us. Friends, I came to know that the numbers of the Bharat Scouts and Guides is huge. If I'm not wrong, I was told more than 50 lakh students, of which 30 lakhs of students they get some sort of a badge, which is sort of a recognition system in Bharat Scouts, where they are expected that in 1 year they will make 10 adults literate. Now imagine the power that your organization has. If you are able to do that, 10 adults in a year by one of them, 30 lakhs, that means 3 crores in a year. I reduce it by 50%. 1.5 crores is possible. Friends, our discussion with the government is, if there are 27 crore adult illiterate, we will train 25 crore. 25 crores mein आधा काम government करे और आधा काम हम volunteers करेंगे. The civil society will do. Of this, if 1.5 crores this year, and over the next 5 years' time, another 1.5 crores is done by Bharat Scouts and Guides, that means 3 crores is done by them. Shamail Ahmed's organization, which is the Private Schools Welfare Association, they are also huge. They are, I mean, I don't even know the number of schools that they are in. Some say it is more than 50,000 schools. Agar 50, and he says it's probably more than 100,000 schools. I take them at 50,000 schools multiplied by even 200 students in each of them. It's a huge number. And they can do it each year. We are going to do such MOUs with 10 different organizations. Brahma Kumaris ke saath already ho gaya hai. These two also. We are in advanced stage of discussion with others also. Friends, look at the power. If only what is on paper, if we can get it implemented. Rotary has the legacy of doing it. After all, polio eradication was no mean job. और दुनिया भर के अंदर में 35 साल से लगे रहे हम लोग और करके छोड़ा. Last month itself, हमने अफ्रीका से भी पोलियो टोटली हटा दिया. We got certified, Africa से हट गया. So Rotary will have the passion and is ready to take up this program on a full scale. We needed partners, and I'm so happy, Mr. Scindia. You don't know how happy I am today that we are signing this MOU with your organizations. We are beholden to you. Together, you also will take great pride. जब 5 साल बाद, jointly we can see that India's literacy rate has moved from 75% to at least 95%. It will be a matter of pride for each and every Indian, and I'm sure to each and every Bharat Scout guide. They'll feel such a great thing कि हमने nation building के अंदर में एक ये major काम किया, which is measurable. Same thing, Shamail, you are working so hard for the Private Schools Association. I tell you, nothing will give you greater satisfaction than this program, because this means taking India into a different league altogether. हम स्वच्छ भारत हो गए हैं. माई रिक्वेस्ट टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज बीन, अब हमें इसे शिक्षित भारत करने की जरूरत है, साक्षर भारत करने की जरूरत है. Our plans and programs on e-learning are outstanding, absolutely. Starting इसी महीने के अंदर में every channel that the government has started, the 12 channels under the e-Vidya PM e-Vidya program, it is going to beam the content that has been provided by Rotary. So class 1 से लेके class 12 तक audio visual content has already been given. Up to the month of December, everything has been given to the government and they are going to beam that. So that is as far as education is concerned. This is as far as literacy is concerned. And the motto of our organization is total literacy and quality education. I'm so happy that Rotary India Humanity Foundation and Rotary India Literacy Mission have come together. You can see the chairman of Rotary India Humanity Foundation, Ashok Mahajan ji, is here. And the chairman of RILM, Kamal Sangvi, is here. Kamal, my compliments to you, congratulations to you and to Mahesh Pagi and all the Rotarians. Ramesh Chandar, who is the chairman for adult literacy, I must compliment him. Dr. Apka Singh, who is going to lead it from the secretariat side. So the secretariat side and the volunteer side, together, I think we are embarking on one of the most important journeys that any of us has embarked as far as Rotary is concerned. This project is huge. Very rarely around the world, when we complete this, I can assure you, nowhere in the world would have a program been taken up where 20 crore plus people have been impacted by voluntary organizations working in partnership with each other as well as with you. I wish the program all the very success, all the very best.
Thank you, Shekhar, for those nice words. I think his vision was Swachha, Swastha, and more important today is a Sakshar Bharat. See, this Scout Forum is a forum which deals with the young minds. And it's always said, that ignited young minds is the biggest resource. Because nation of billion of people, progress depends on how people think. It's a very, very excellent concept of so many organizations coming together and working for the cause of adult literacy. As you're aware, the adult literacy program also consists of 4 major verticals, and that is Vidya, Shiksha, and Diksha, and Swabhiman. More towards the RIHF president, Ashok Ji Mahajan, who has been our past Rotary International Director and Rotary Foundation Trustee. We admire Ashok Ji. Ashok Ji has a tremendous skills of convincing people, whether it's a Mohalla committees, whether it is even Rajeshri Trai Birla and entire Birla group. So I think whatever Ashok Ji takes in his hand, it is always a successful mission. I request Ashok Ji to please address this August gathering today.
Thank you very much, Mahesh, for your very generous presentation. Friends, good morning to all of you. I am more than delighted to find myself amongst you all on this virtual meeting. I am more than delighted to find myself amongst you all on this virtual meeting when we are going to sign 2 MOUs in support of adult literacy. Well, friends, as has been said by our President-elect Shekhar Mehta, that making India total literate is our ultimate goal. And he also made a mention that if you want to have a total literacy in the country, you had to take into consideration the adult literacy also. The other day, I was surprised to read the report of the United Nations, which said that 37% of the total illiterate adults globally are in India. And that's a matter of concern for each and every one of us. If you have to achieve the total literacy in the country, you have to tackle this issue, and this issue has to be tackled very seriously. A poet has said that, "Pehle paida kijiye man mein iradon ki tafan." पहले पैदा कीजिए मन में इरादों की दफन, कोयला था लोह को पिघला के पानी कर गया। जब तक आप में वो जोश नहीं आता, जब तक आप वो गर्मी नहीं लाते, तब तक you cannot achieve anything for that matter. If coal had not accepted the fire in itself, it was impossible for coal to melt the strong metal like iron. Similarly, we the Rotarians have taken a pledge that we shall make India total literate. Now it's very difficult to say when, because when you go through the program, the kind of stumbling blocks which come in our way, we do not know. But we the Rotarians believe that every stumbling block can be converted into stepping stone. We have just experienced what happened in polio. We never thought that polio will take 30 years for India to get rid of polio virus. It took it. Similarly, how much time it will take is not known, but our effort, our sincerity, our commitment for the cause of literacy and adult literacy will always be there. Now, these two organizations with which we are signing this MOU today, if you look at the number of volunteers they have, if you look at the number of people they have in those organizations, is a mind-boggling. And believe you me, friends, if every individual takes this issue seriously, if they work on it, and if they put their efforts towards the adult literacy, I can say with fullest chance of accuracy that India will be total literate in the coming few years only. My sincere request to both the organizations, take up this job with all the seriousness, and if a person is able to make one individual adult literate, that also will be a great achievement. And this can happen at least once a month. You can do one person. It means in a year you can just every person can literate make an adult literate 10% in a year, and that's a huge number. And I'm pretty sure that we the Rotarians will always be at your beck and call. If there is an issue, we are there to help you, we are there to guide you, and we are there to motivate you for this job. I'm pretty sure with the support of both the organizations, we will go a step ahead. We will take a step forward to make India total literate. I'm reminded of the Urdu couplet where the poet says, ख्वाहिशों से नहीं गिरते फूल झोली में, ख्वाहिशों से नहीं गिरते फूल झोली में, वक्त की शाख को हिलाना होगा, अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से कुछ ना होगा, अंधेरों को बुरा कहने से कुछ ना होगा, अपने हिस्से का दिया तुम्हें खुद जलाना होगा, तुम्हें खुद जलाना होगा. Friends, there is no need of putting all the excuses that India's population is this, literacy, that is this and that. These are all the silly excuses. We have to put our right foot forward to make India literate. Believe you me, a few years ago, as they say, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. That step we had taken a few years ago. We have come forward with many steps, and a few steps are left behind, left forward, which we had to finish, which we had to accomplish, and I'm pretty sure with the help of you all, we'll achieve this goal as well. My congratulations to both the organizations for and sincere thanks to both of them for accepting our invitation and accepting our partnership to work together for the total literacy in general and adult literacy in particular. I wish every success. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ashok ji. I think Ashok ji has promised us that she will be one of the forefront pillar to make 27 crore adult illiterate people into literate. I think I'm going to also request Ashok ji to get the blessings from Sai Baba, because Ashok ji is a Sai Bhakt and he always said Jai Sai Ram. So I think with those nice words, Ashok ji always likes the couplets and the shares and shairis. I think I have a very nice share for this particular program. For that program, that shairi word says, कहते हैं जरूरी नहीं रोशनी चरागों से ही हो, कहते हैं जरूरी नहीं रोशनी चरागों से ही हो, शिक्षा से भी घर रोशन होते हैं. So this is the program. May I request to proceed for signing of MOU. And on behalf of the RIHF, I'm requesting DG Alok Gupta ji. I can see Alok here. And of course, on the behalf of the Bharat Bharat Scouts and Guide, Rajkumar Kaushik ji, to please go ahead and sign this MOU between the RIHF. One of the very, very nice days that the organization of 69 years old and senior with more than 55 lakh members is signing this MOU. So ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause for this particular day. So you can see DG Alok Gupta ji signing on behalf of RIHF, and Rajkumar Kaushik and all the team, along with, of course, the DG Alok is also there.
Wow, this calls for a huge applause. Can we let me unmute everyone so that 1 minute जरा सुने तो सबका applause.
शेखर जी जैसे आईपीएल में बैकग्राउंड में अपलॉज बन रहा है ना, वैसा एक रिकॉर्डेड अपलॉज में रखवा दीजिए.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Historic day, historic day.
Congratulations! Mr. Swear is here. Congratulations! Congratulations to all. Congratulations!
Mahesh, you can go ahead.
May I request PGR Scindia ji for his acceptance speech and feelings on behalf of this MOU. PG Scindia is the ex-minister and Secretary General of BSG. I request PGR Scindia ji.
Respected Shekhar Mehta ji, Honorable President-elect of Rotary International, respected Ramesh Chandar, respected Mahesh Kodbagi ji, Ashok Mahajan ji, Kamal Sanghvi ji, and other senior leaders of the great movement Rotary of India, governors, and my friend and our director of Bharat Scouts and Guides India, Rajkumar Kaushik ji, and our joint director, Sister Darshana Pawar ji, and my dear friends. It is going to be a historic day, not only in the history of Bharat Scouts and Guides, and also in the history of India. Today, Shekhar Mehta ji, one of the senior leaders of Rotary movement in the country and going to be in the world, has rightly spoken the importance of making India literate, 100% literate. In fact, as he has rightly said, Rotary has got all potential to do this. Rotary has done a great service in the last 100 years, not only in India, in the entire world. I remember I was a member of the road track when I was a student of engineering, because my college principal happens to be a Rotary office bearer. We have been associating with Rotary clubs at various levels. Today, officially, we are signing an MOU. We have signed an MOU. We have come to an understanding not only in the letters and spirit from our hearts. I am aware of the potential strengths which Scouts and Guides have. Because in our state, there is one Asha Prasanna Kumar, who was a governor, who did a dynamic leader, who did a wonderful job as a governor. We also have Professor Chandrasekhar, who is actually the motivator for this program to me. And there are many leaders within the Scout organization who have been associating with Rotary Club and Rotary International and all its activities. As you rightly said, I do not say that only Scouts and Guides should do this. All of us as Indians, if we could take up this program, maybe in the next few years, we will be able to make India illiterate free and 100% literate. It is possible. Scouting is an international organization. Even in India, it was started 100 years back. I always say that Rotary has moved 100 years, more than 100 years. And Scouts and Guides also has moved as a movement for 100 years among the youngsters. I quote also in many of my meetings that the chairman of the Rotary International, I think a few years back, maybe 3-4 years back, addressed a meeting of all the Rotary leaders in Chennai. He has said one sentence which I have marked it. He said, we have made history as Rotary for 100 years. If we have to make history for another 100 years, we have to change. Change is essential. It applies to Bharat Scouts and Guides also. The ideology remaining the same. There must be some changes as far as the methodology is concerned, and we are prepared for that. That is why our Honorable President, Mr. Anil Jain, member of the Rajya Sabha, who is a very dynamic leader of the country, a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party, office bearer of the National BJP, and also Mr. Khandelwal, KK Khandelwal, our Honorable President of this organization, was the Additional Chief Secretary of Haryana. Now he is the Chairman of the RERA. They are all associating. In fact, they were supposed to come today, but for various other pressing engagements, they could not come. But their wishes are always there for success of this agreement. Now we have signed the agreement. We have a voluntary force, as you rightly said, about 60 to 70 lakhs. We have also proved whenever there is the society or the country or any country for that matter is in distress, when people are in distress, we go to their help, as Rotary always goes. I am very proud that the young boys and girls and the teachers who are associating with this Scouts and Guides movement during this COVID period, of this crisis period of last 7 months, our organization has produced more than 1 crore of masks, and it has given to the needy and to the poor. You will be surprised to know more than 1 lakh volunteers have been working all over the country, spread all over the country. Whether free food distribution, food guide distribution, vegetables distribution, and so many other social workers they are doing. They are helping the police department, they are helping the health department, everywhere. Scouts and Guides volunteers like NCC, like NSS, you see them. Today, I am very happy that we have signed an agreement with a great organization, Rotary. We would like to work with you, and we may not be up to your expectations of Shekhar Mehta ji. He has got a very, very ambitious program. I can tell you, Scouting has got a method of teaching that is called a Scouting method. And that is what you mentioned, the badges, badge system. So to earn a badge, the boy has to do some social work. From different sections are there. Cubs and Bulbuls, that is below the age of 10. Scouts and Guides, below the age of 18. Rovers and Rangers, below the age of 25. Scout Masters, no age limit. As well as Guide Captain, no age limit. So all of us, we will definitely involve at various levels. Maybe at the village level, the taluka level, district level, city level also. But it is not that easy to identify the illiterate people. It takes some time. You have to go to a place where the construction workers may be there. You have to go to a place where people below the poverty level stays. They may not be knowing literates. They may not be literate. So it is essential. We have to identify them. And then the methodology which you have explained to me, Shekhar Mehtaji, on the other day, that how you are going to make them learn, make them literate, that is very, very important. I think that many more organizations, Brahma Kumari is another great organization where they have very, very dedicated workers. Many organizations, one organization which you are signing MOU with in Bihar, like that, there we can identify many more such organizations who will join with us. And I am sure the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the most dynamic leader of our country, and as you mentioned, Javadekar, and many others are dynamic ministers are there in this government who think in terms of the development of the nation and the society. Their blessings is always there. So we can move forward step by step by step by step and make this a people's movement. It is possible. So we are also participating in honorable programs like Namami Ganga, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. This is part of the Beti Padhao. There are so many Betis who are illiterates. We are seeing what is happening in this country. This is the right time that you have identified a right organization. As I said earlier, we would like to be your foot soldiers. Brain is yours. During this COVID-19 period, I don't know. We all pray God that it should end as early as possible. It has created havoc, as all of us know, but we cannot keep it at this point of time also. So we have to adopt a different methodology by itself, maybe online. We have to teach all these things. This is the right time for learning. So I am glad that Shekhar Mehtaji could spare so much of time. I am sure the RILM organization, part of the Rotary, which has got stalwarts with their experience, we will be able to work together, achieve what is required. I am grateful to Mr. Shekhar Mehta and his team for making us this day as a historic day. I must thank my president, Anil Kumar Jain, and Khandelwal ji, and my director, Mr. Rajkumar Kaushik, and Darshana ji, and many more are watching all over the country through Facebook and other apps. They will all be participating in this program. I am sure this is going to be a success. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity for me to share my thoughts on this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, Sindhya ji, for those commitments and very, very nice narration of your entire association and organization work. You know, this is one of the more important subject is the youth is going to be part of the national building process. And especially in India, Guru is compared to the God. It says that, you know, Guru Devo, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Tasmai Shri Guru Devo Namaha. So I think these youth of Scout and Guide will get an opportunity to become a Guru because they are going to teach one of the illiterate adult. And they are going to feel very proud the opportunity which Rotary India Humanity Foundation and Scout Guide is going to give them.
I would like to request Kamal ji to kindly address the gathering. May I request RID Kamal Sangvi ji.
Thank you so much. कहते हैं कि हिस्ट्री इज नॉट बॉर्न, हिस्ट्री को क्रिएट करना पड़ता है। और आज एक हिस्ट्री क्रिएट हुई है क्योंकि 3 बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक साथ जुड़े हैं टू मेक श्योर दैट इंडिया बिकम्स टोटली लिटरेट। और वो जमाने चले गए कि जब खरगोश अपनी रेस दौड़ता था और कछुआ अपनी रेस दौड़ता था। अब जमाना आ गया है पार्टनरशिप्स का, जहां दो और बड़े बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एक साथ जुट होके अपनी ताकत के माध्यम से पूरे देश में bring a strategic and change in the concept or in the literacy world. And this is what has happened today, where three large organizations have joined together to create history. And I'm sure, and what a beautiful method, हम उन लोगों से हिस्ट्री क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं जो हमारे देश के भविष्य है, जो हमारे देश के अगले 100 साल की स्थापना करेंगे, is the youth. What better way to garner the energy and use the energy of the youth, use the intelligence of the youth, use the methodology of the youth in trying to make India totally literate. And this is the fantastic movement, and I always believe it is the youth which will lead the country into the next 100 years. And it is this memorandum which is going to prove that, and it's going to be proven in these 4 different methods. पहले हम एक बच्चा अपने आप को शिक्षक के रूप में, he's changing himself to become a teacher. Second, when he becomes a teacher, he becomes a productive member of the community and the society and a citizen of India at large. Third, जब वो एक शिक्षक बनता है, then he understands कि उसके शिक्षक उसके पीछे कितना वक्त देते हैं, कितनी मेहनत करते हैं. So वो गुरु की, he starts respecting his own guru, जो हमारी वैदिक परंपरा है. इस वैदिक परंपरा को भी हम आगे पे ले जा रहे हैं कि जहां एक बच्चा अपने शिक्षक को बड़ी रिस्पेक्टफुल नजर से देखता है. So this is the third and the fourth. An illiterate adult becomes literate. So I think this is absolutely historic. This is something which is going to be a game changer. दुनिया में बहुत सारे players हैं, but it is what is required that if you want a nation which is progressive, if you want a nation which is in peace with itself, अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी गलियां सुरक्षित रहे, हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे घर सुरक्षित रहे, हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा देश सुरक्षित रहे, it is important that every youth becomes an important citizen and a citizen which is a productive citizen of the nation, and this is what is going to make it happen. So congratulations to RIHF, congratulations to Sindhya ji and Kaushik ji. Sindhya ji, Kaushik ji, thank you so much. And of course our very own Ismail Ahmed. ये 3 mega organizations getting together is causing the anvil of history. So God bless, and let us make India totally literate by 2025. And of course all the Rotarians here, congratulations to each one of you for paving the path of making India totally literate. God bless each one of you. Godspeed.
Very well said, Kamal Sanghvi ji, and we thank you for all your good wishes. May I now request PDG Ramesh Chandra ji to kindly extend vote of thanks.
Before Ramesh, you can go ahead. I think I want to thank the entire core committee of Rotary India Literacy Mission, the members of the RILM, as well as the entire staff who tried to get these 2 organizations together. They had several meetings between the Scout program as well as the Association of Private Schools together. I have no words for PDG Anirudh Roy Chaudhary, Rajni, Ravi Vadlamani, and of course Kishore along with the team. So thanks a lot. And of course you also heard the chairman Kamalji speaking. I incidentally logged out in 1 minute because of the cyclone going on in Maharashtra for last 48 hours. But Kamal is a performer. Yesterday in one evening, Kamalji got 60 countries together. Such a powerful chair we have for RILM. And I'm sure Shekharji's vision of getting 27 crore adult illiterate will get fulfilled under the leadership of Kamal very soon. Now, Ramesh, kindly please propose a vote of thanks on behalf of all of us today.
Thank you, Mahesh, for your kind words. Well, today actually is a historic day for Rotary, RHIF, RILM, when a very significant positive step has been taken in motion by signing MOU with 2 very prominent organizations with a very large base of members. I think the dream of Rotary International incoming President Shekhar Mehta to make India literate by 2025, this is a very positive step which has been taken today, because both these organizations, they have a Bharat Scout and Guide, as everyone knows, has got a base of almost about 50 lakh as their members. And so is this Organization for Children Welfare Association. They have also about 2 lakh school under their umbrella. With the total combined strength of all these people, we are in for a very, very positive change. And I'm sure the dream of Shekhar Mehta to make India literate by 2025 will now get a positive impact on this thing. Thanks to PGR Sindhia, former Minister of Karnataka, for their very kind word. I think I have marked the word when you say the joining of two like-minded service organizations is a really a historic movement, and we should make it as a public movement. Thank you very much, Mr. Smail Ahmed from Public School and Children Welfare Association for your support. And I think your reach all around India into the smaller places also will definitely help. And इस प्रोग्राम के जो सूत्रधार हैं वो हमारे स्कूलों के बच्चे हैं और आपके पास वो बच्चे हैं और मेरे को इसमें पूरा यकीन है कि इस प्रोग्राम को आगे ले जाने में आपकी जो संस्था है वो बहुत बड़ा काम करेगी। और मैं आज के जो हमारे सूत्रधार हैं महेश कोटबागी जी का उनका धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा। मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा शेखर मेहता जी का, जिन्होंने हमेशा अपनी पॉजिटिविटी से हम सबको मोटिवेट किया है। और मैं एडल्ट लिटरेसी टीम की तरफ से आपका सहृदय धन्यवाद करता हूँ और ये मैं चाहता हूँ कि जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे आपका मार्गदर्शन हमारे लिए बहुत सर्वोप्रिय होगा। मैं कमल सांघवी जी का भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उन्होंने अपनी लीडरशिप से हमको बहुत उत्साहित किया है। मैं श्री अशोक महाजन जी, पास्ट रोटरी इंटरनेशनल डायरेक्टर अशोक महाजन जी का साधुवाद करता हूं कि वो जिस चीज को टच करते हैं वो एकदम गोल्ड में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है। मैं इन सब का धन्यवाद करूंगा और मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा डीजी आलोक गुप्ता का, डीजी अनूप मित्तल का, पीडीजी विवेक कुमार का और स्टाफ और आपका सिंह जिसने इस सारे प्रोग्राम को क्यूरेट किया है कि इसको हम कर सकें। और इसी शुभ कामना और इस मंगल कामना के साथ मैं आज आपसे विदा लेता हूं कि आज जो हमने एक बहुत ही उत्कृष्ट कार्य किया है ये हम इसको अच्छी तरह से फलीभूत कर सकें और जो 27 करोड़ अडल्ट इलिटरेट हैं उनका एक सिग्निफिकेंट पोर्शन जो है उनको हम लिटरेट कर सकते हैं। मैं इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आए हुए सब रोटेरियंस का और जो स्काउट एंड गाइड से आए हुए हैं उन सब का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ।